How to clean a burnt pot. 10 easy tips to sparkle. Blackened, crusty, burnt food in the bottom of a pan can turn the delightful act of cooking into a cleaning nightmare. A burnt pot is not just an eyesore, but can emanate an unpleasant odor and, more importantly, impact the taste of your next meal. The black residue stubbornly clings to the surface, and scraping it off with brute force can damage your precious pots and pans. There's no need to resign yourself to the thought of tossing the pan away. With patience, the right products, and effective methods, you can restore your burnt pot to its former glory. Simple household items like vinegar, baking soda, or salt can play a significant role in this cleaning mission. So don't be disheartened by the charred mess greeting you post-cooking. In this video, we will walk you through a comprehensive guide on how to clean a burnt pot effectively and efficiently. Learn step-by-step methods that use non-toxic ingredients to eliminate burnt-on food, leaving your pots and pans sparkling clean and ready for your next culinary adventure. Causes of burnt pot. 1. Excessive heat. One of the principal causes leading to burnt pots is utilizing excessive heat. High temperatures cause food to cook unevenly and rapidly, leaving a burnt residue at the bottom of your pots. This problem is exacerbated when the cookware is left unattended, allowing the food to continue cooking and burning. Understanding and applying the appropriate heat settings for different meals is a fundamental step in preventing pot burns. 2. Pot material. The material of the pots plays a substantial role in the occurrence of burns. Thin, lightweight pots or those with non-stick coatings often do not distribute heat evenly. This creates hot spots that can cause food to stick and burn. Opting for heavy-bottomed pots or pans, which ensure uniform heat distribution, is crucial for preventing burnt cookware. 3. Neglected monitoring. Neglecting to monitor your cooking can also lead to burnt pots. Certain recipes necessitate regular stirring to prevent the food from sticking to the pot's bottom. Failure to pay attention and stir increases the risk of burning your pots. Making a habit of continually monitoring your cooking and stirring when necessary helps avert this cooking calamity. Immediate actions to take. The moment you notice your pot is burning, turn off the heat straight away. This immediate action halts further damage to both the pot and your meal, preventing additional charring and sticking. Move the pot to a cooler surface, like a cold burner or a heat-resistant countertop. This step will stop the cooking process and prevent the burnt area from spreading further, safeguarding your pot from more extensive damage. Always use oven mitts or a thick cloth to handle the hot pot. This precaution ensures your safety, protecting your hands from burns as you move the pot away from the heat source. Allow the pot to cool down and then assess the extent of the burn. This assessment will help in deciding the most effective cleaning method to use. 10 most effective methods to clean a burnt pot. 1. Vinegar and baking soda method. Time: 15 minutes. Tools and supplies: baking soda, vinegar, water, and sponge. A popular method to clean a burnt pan involves the use of white vinegar and baking soda, effective especially for stainless steel pans. Fill the pan with equal parts water and white vinegar, then heat and let it simmer. After removing from the heat, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The fizzing action helps to loosen the scorch marks. Use a sponge to gently scrub the pan. The acidic nature of vinegar combined with baking soda breaks down the burnt residues. 2. Soaking the pot in warm water and dish soap. Time: 1 to 2 hours. Tools and supplies: dish soap, warm water, and sponge. Fill the pot or your pan with warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. Let the pot soak for an hour or more. The soap and warm water will work together to loosen the burnt particles. 3. Utilizing white vinegar and water. Time: 15 to 20 minutes. Tools and supplies: white vinegar, water, and stove. Fill the pan with equal parts of water and white vinegar. Place the pan on the stove and heat and let it simmer for a while. The acidity of the vinegar will help in dissolving the scorched areas. This method is perfect for stainless steel pan and cast iron cookware. 4. Cleaning with a lemon solution. Time: 20 minutes. Tools and supplies: lemon and water. This method involves acidic power. Fill the pan with water and add 2 to 3 sliced lemons. Bring to a simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The citric acid helps to break down the burnt particles, making it easier to clean a burnt pan without much elbow grease. This method is also suitable for a stainless steel pan. 5. Baking soda and warm water method. Time: 20 to 25 minutes. Tools and supplies: baking soda, warm water, and sponge. To clean a burnt pot or pan, create a mixture with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and warm water. Apply this baking soda paste to the bottom of the pan and let it sit for a while. Then, use a sponge or scrub to gently clean the area. 6. Using a dryer sheet. Time: 1 hour. Tools and supplies: dryer sheet and warm water. Fill the pot with warm water and place a dryer sheet at the bottom. Allow it to sit for an hour. The fabric softener in the dryer sheet will loosen the burnt residue, making it easier to clean the scorched pan with minimal scrubbing effort. 7. Cream of tartar. Time: 15 minutes. Tools and supplies: cream of tartar and water. To clean a burnt pan, make a paste by mixing cream of tartar with a small amount of water. Apply this to the bottom of the pan and let it sit. The cream of tartar helps to loosen the burnt areas and is a non-abrasive cleaner, ideal for all types of cookware. 8. Coke or a similar carbonated beverage. Time: 30 to 40 minutes. Tools and supplies: Coke or a similar carbonated beverage. Pour Coke or a similar carbonated beverage into the burnt pan. The acidity and carbonation will help to lift the burnt residue from the bottom of the pan. This is an easy way to clean without needing many additional supplies. 9. Aluminum foil ball. Time: 5 to 10 minutes. Tools and supplies: aluminum foil, dish soap, and warm water. Crumple up a piece of aluminum foil into a ball. Fill the pot with warm water and dish soap, and use the aluminum foil ball to scrub the pan. The foil acts as an abrasive, effectively removing burnt residues. This method is particularly effective for cast iron and stainless steel pans. 10. Dishwasher tablet. Time: 3 to 5 minutes. Tools and supplies: dishwasher tablet and warm water. To effectively remove burnt-on bits, start by covering the bottom of the pan with just a tiny bit of water. Gently warm it up on low heat until the water begins to steam. Once heated, remove the pan from the heat source and carefully scrape the tablet across the stubborn burnt-on residue. Effective prevention tips for burnt pots. Preventing burnt pots is not only about knowing how to clean them, it's also about adopting good cooking practices and being proactive in the kitchen. Here are some valuable prevention tips to help you keep your pots in pristine condition. 1. Control the heat. When cooking, it's important to adjust your stove or cooktop to the appropriate heat setting based on the type of food you're preparing. At the same time, high heat may not always be necessary and can often lead to burning. Using low or medium heat when appropriate ensures better control and prevents overcooking. Investing in high-quality, heavy-bottomed pots and pans is a wise choice for any kitchen. These superior cookware options distribute heat more evenly and minimize the risk of hot spots and burning. 2. Use cooking oils and non-stick spray. Before cooking, apply a thin layer of cooking oil or use a non-stick cooking spray to the bottom of your pots and pans. This will help prevent food from sticking and burning to the surface. 3. Monitor your cooking. Never leave your cooking unattended, especially when using high heat or when cooking foods prone to burning. Frequent stirring and monitoring can make a significant difference in preventing burnt pots. 4. Adjust cooking techniques. Using a lid while cooking can help maintain a more stable temperature within the pot and reduce the chances of burning. This is particularly useful when simmering or braising. For recipes that require simmering, adjust the heat to a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil. This prevents rapid evaporation and reduces the risk of scorching. 5. Select the right cookware for the job. Choose the appropriate type and size of cookware for your recipes. Using a pot that is too small for the dish can lead to overflowing and burning. 6. Clean cookware regularly. Properly clean and maintain your cookware after each use. Residue buildup can increase the chances of future burning incidents. Final thoughts. Maintaining the cleanliness and effectiveness of your cookware is essential to successful cooking. Whether you're dealing with a stubbornly burnt pot or want to prevent future cooking mishaps, the techniques and tips provided in this guide can help. From selecting the right heat settings and investing in quality cookware to using cooking oils and monitoring your cooking, these preventative strategies, including effective cleaning methods like a dishwasher tablet, baking soda, or aluminum foil, will ensure your pots and pans remain in peak condition.